Good morning guys and Happy New Year. As you know, we are in Paris for our weekend, and what we realized that Paris is a really expensive city. Yes it is, in fact most of our money went for a hotel room for 2 nights. But I want to prove that you can visit Paris on an affordable budget. So today, the challenge of the day is to visit Paris with less than 20 euros. First, breakfast. This is amazing. Chocolate beignet. And it's just 70 cents each. So we already ate a few of these. Amazing. After this, of course, let's go for a coffee. Why you need to spend 3-4 euros for an espresso when you can get on Carrefour good espresso for 1 euro? What I really love about this city is that there are a lot of places that you can visit for free. Hello. Hello, hi. Are you a model?
Good morning, guys.
The best place in Paris to take a walk is of course Champs-Élysées. Good, correct?
I think so.
Champs-Élysées. And we are going there now. Also because the Arc de Triomphe is standing there. And it's for free. So at the end of the Champs-Élysées is the Arc de Triomphe. This is really nice to see. The only problem is that too many people around, so it's hard to make some nice picture. That's why we find the best spot for our camera to make good time lapse. People are on the line in order to make a nice picture with the Arc de Triomphe on their back. So they're on the street waiting their turn. And I would like to cross, but too many cars here. Run. We are crossing the street in really dangerous situation. So we did it. We are alive. Now we came on the feet of the Arc, just to watch it from inside.
Yeah.
Let's check what we have inside. So I didn't know that this is a monument in honor of the dead soldiers during the First World War.
Now we're going on the Trocadero, where you can see the Tour Eiffel.
That was insane.
That's the one, find the one, watch again, hashtag where is the ball? 100, yes? No, one. That
We just come on the Trocadero area, and our goal is to have a picnic near the Tour Eiffel. So as you see, it's a beautiful garden, and we find a nice spot on top of the wall. What we got, yeah, typical food from here, of course. We find two different kind of baguette. One is more classic, another one is more brown, more healthy maybe. Ham, fresh orange juice. This is made with fresh orange. Chips. These chips are amazing, guys. I love them. We are eating this all the time here in this journey. And Kimberly was a bit nostalgic, so she got something from Spain.
It's fuet, actually.
Fuete?
Fuet.
What?
Fuet.
What's fuet?
This is called fuet.
Kind of chorizo.
No, it's
No?
not. No.
Red
And
Bull.
Red Bull.
So for all this stuff, this is what we spent. 17 euros. This means that for today we already spent, if I well, no, 19 euros. 19 euros, yeah. So we are still on our budget. And of course the entrance of the Trocadero area is free. This is really nice. Why we walked so much and we took so many stairs? Check this sunset here, and also this guy here. This is the best spot in Paris.
I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one tonight. I hope someday you will join us. And the world will leave us.
And we needed the toilet, so we had to pay €1 each just to use the services.
Hello guys, we're back in the hotel and we just ordered some Subway. How much it costs, Amor?
For the sandwich we pay €7.50 and of course an energy drink €2.50. So, plus the sandwich and the energy drink, we arrive around an average of €35 spent today. If you divide for 2 persons, it's not even €20, which is good. We can say that for the day, the challenge is complete. So my suggestion is, if you come in Paris, put aside all those fancy restaurants that they only want to take your money, guys. There are a lot of things to visit for free. Actually, all the city is a museum by himself. My suggestion is to focus more on the discover the city than go every day on restaurant. And with this video, we want to prove that we can travel even on Paris on an affordable way.